So next is representation of a set. How you will represent, because this is not a normal collection. So there's a two ways for representing a set, that is roster method and set builder form. There are other ways also, but only two ways are included in your syllabus. So roster method and set builder form. Set builder, you can understand from this word. Set builder means you are building something, you will build any rule. So in this you are supposed to build a rule. And roster, like roasted, so you are supposed to eat, everyone like roasted, so you can understand from this roster method. Now you have a roasted chicken, roasted, okay. You are not worried about the ingredients, you are not worried about the method, how it is prepared. You just want to eat only the prepared chicken, that is roasted method. So here roaster method means what? The prepared form, tabular form. Like suppose if I will say the natural number less than 7, natural number less than 7, so I don't want this statement, I don't want any this rule, because roster means the result, the outcome. So what will be the outcome of this the natural number less than 7? That will be what? First of all, curly brackets are very important, okay. The set collection supposed to be expressed within or between curly brackets. Curly brackets actually representing that yes, it is a set. So 1, because natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because it is less than 7. So this is your roster method, because here you have written only outcome, you have not written any rule, you have not written anything, okay. You have not written here any statement. So this is your roster method. You can see here this is also a rostered method. Why? Because only digits are there, so whenever outcome is there, so that is actually a roasted method. Now let's have a look on this set builder form. What is set builder form? Set builder form means you will make rule, that you are supposed to enter in the class at 8 a.m. Now after 8 a.m. you cannot come, so this is a rule. So here also set builder form, you will make rule, but how you will make rule? Let's have a look to this statement, natural number less than 7. So first of all, curly bracket is important in both the method, that is roster and set builder form. Here what you will say, you will start with x, we don't know x, what x, such that, this is the you can say representation of such that, or you can use like this also, okay. X, what is x? X should be what here? Natural number less than 7. X should be less than 7, and x is your natural number. This is belongs one sign, belongs, okay. We have studied already. So x belongs to natural number, or you can write in a statement also here with this belong, that x belongs to natural number, or x is natural number. Both are correct, okay. Because you come in 8th standard, so it will be good if you will use these types of symbols, because you are now in 8th standard. But you can use this also, like let me write again here, x such that x is 7, and what is x? X is natural number. We are talking about natural number, so x is natural number, so this is also correct, okay. X such that x is less than 7 and x is natural number, and like this also you can write x such that x less than 7 and x belongs to natural number. So this is actually your set builder form. You made rule with the x, means in here x anything can come, but it should be less than 7 and it should be natural number. So this is how you will do in set builder form. So let's here this statement is given multiples of 2. So how you will make a set builder form? X such that x is equals to what? Multiples of 2 means what? Means it can multiply with 2. So you will write here 2. You can take any other variable. You will take any other variable here. So 2n, what is n? N is your any number. You can say n is a number, or because n is a multiples of 2, okay. It will start from 1, because you know that 0 is you can multiply 0, but it is not a multiple of 2. So n belongs to what? Natural numbers. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now this is actually your set builder form. Whatever the result of this set builder will come, that will include in roster method. That is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, and up to so on, because limit is not given. So this is the set builder form, that x is equals to 2 and multiple of 2, and this is roster method. I hope so this concept is clear, roster method and set builder form.